Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to send DocuSign via text. So let's just begin. So first of all, what do we need to do over here is to send via text message. You can easily first of all sign a document, and you can see once you sign that you have your task details and various options. You can click on resend option if you already have the envelope created. So creating an envelope is pretty easy. Click on the start option and click on envelopes and send an envelope. And once you do have that, you can simply add the details for the receiver. By the way, to unlock all of the premium features on the site, you can head over to the link in the description below and get 30 days free trial onto the DocuSign platform, and that is going to be giving you the maximum values for the entire month. I hope this is going to be helping. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.